Hi there, and welcome to the first in a series of video tutorials on how to use the desktop version of leanEdit. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a video. So when you open leanEdit, this is the screen that you see in front of you. And on the left-hand side here, you'll see a section called Upload My Footage. What you do is you click the Choose Media button, and it'll take you to your Windows Explorer. So here you navigate to where the video is. Mine happens to be on desktop. Here it is. And click Open. Now you'll notice that this red bar runs from left to right, signifying that the video has been uploaded. Obviously the speed at which this runs is dependent on the size of the video. Up above you'll see this circle turning, and that's showing you that it's pulling in the thumbnail to represent the video, and here it is. Now while that's going on, you can enter the information about the video over on the right hand side here, which is what I'm doing. I'm calling it pizza making. I can put a date in. It's the default is to today's date, but I could also put any other date I like in there if I so wish. Here I put my location and then my initials, or my name, in right here. Now once I've entered all this information and I see the thumbnail, that's very important, then I can hit the submit button. And what it does is it takes the video from this side and moves it to this side. Now the video is in the My Vault area. Two things are going on here. The blue bar across the bottom is showing you the progress of the video being converted, and also there's a blue bar and above it in red telling you that the video is being converted. You also have all the information that you entered on the footage side. Here you have the name of the video, you have the date, you have the time, and also if I mouse over it, the location and the camera operator that I entered also shows up. You can also, in this screen, once the video is actually finished converting, you can actually go in and by clicking this button, you can edit the file name. Let's say you decided you wanted to change that, you can do that here. And again, once complete, and once the conversion is complete, I can also go in and click the delete button, and it will allow me to delete the file from this section. So there you go. That's how you upload a video. You can use any kind of video format here. This is compatible with most of them. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and tune in for the next one.